Downward.
So if you notice it here, now they are saying that V is greater than 10. You can see 15. So means it will skidding upward direction. So the skidding will be this side. This is what velocity. So velocity is equals to 15 meter per second. So that force of friction will act what direction, everybody? Force of friction will act in what direction?
Downward.
Downward direction. Now we all knows that. So let me take from this point, all of you observe. So from this point, the weight which is acting downward direction, what is that we used to called as? mg. So exactly perpendicularly to this, of course, normal is acting. So this is what the normal. So if we take this normal, angle between them is theta, then here what will happen? This will become, all of you should respond, n cos theta. And at this point, the force of friction, sorry, centripetal force which is acting downward direction. So that is what? mv square by r. And opposite to that, which is acting, that is what will become what? Yeah, n sin theta. Is it clear, everybody? All of you understand, Pradosh? N sin theta. Now, if you notice it here, this is n sin theta, mv square by r, n cos theta, mg. Now, the force of friction is acting upward direction or downward direction, everybody? Force of friction is what direction? Downwards. Understanding? Or inwards? Downwards or inwards. So, here is the theta is present. Check it, everybody. Friction and for this one, normal. So, this is the theta. Then here is the theta means, here what will happen, everybody? This is the component. So this is the component and this is the force of friction is acting. Then here what will happen? You should speak. Here what will happen? F cos theta, and opposite one what will happen? F what? Sin theta.
Sin theta.
F sin theta, and here it will become what? F cos theta. Do you all able to understand, everybody? Mr. Rudreswa, Pradosh? If you understand this, this is fair. Okay. So the force of friction is downward direction. So can we form the two equations now? That's all it is. So now from this, what is the equations we can form? Check it, everybody. First one. So n cos theta is equals to two forces are acting downward direction. So what is that? Everybody? mg plus f sin theta. So if I modify this equation, I will get n cos theta minus f sin theta is equals to mg. You all should continue. Next, this one, you can notice it. So I can say f cos theta plus n sin theta is equals to mv square by r. These are the two equations, you will get it. Is it right or wrong? You verify and let me know. Are you clear, everybody? All of you? Yes, please. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Right or wrong? Am I right? Please respond, guys. All of you? So n cos theta is equals to two forces are acting downward. I will draw that. You can check it. So this is the body. So two forces are acting, mg and another one is f sin theta. So which is equals to normal n cos theta. This is the one. Next one, inclined surfaces. So this is what? mv square by r, and these two forces are acting. One is n sin theta and another one is f cos theta. So two forces are acting. So this is what is equals to. So f cos theta plus n sin theta is equals to mv square by r, and this one n cos theta is equals to mg plus f sin theta. Is it right or wrong? Pradosh? Understand? Yeah, Ishali already found it. That's fine. So we'll solve these two equations. We all knows that theta, they have given that. We all people knows that tan theta is equals to what? V square by rg. So from that V is equals to now. Again, we have to take what? For finding the angle. V is equals to 10 only. So 10 square by r value is 20 into g value is 10. So that, what is the tan theta value? Tan theta is value how much, guys? Tan theta is equals to 1 by 2. So if I take the tan theta triangle, so 1, 2, and here what will happen? Hypotenuse is equals to how much? Hypotenuse is equals to root 5. Okay, so means 1 square plus 2 square, which is equals to root 5. I hope everybody clear. That's all it is. Now let us solve these two equations. So how to solve these two equations? You can take it. So what is the equations now? Everybody tell me. What are the equations now? Two equations we got it. All of you. First equation. F cos theta. Yeah, you can write it. F cos theta plus n sin theta, which is equals to mv square by r. Second one, you can take it n cos theta minus f sin theta is equals to mg. So from the triangle, we can find it. So 2, 1 and root 5. So what is the sin theta value? Sin theta is equals to root over 1 by root over 5. And cos theta is equals to what? Cos theta is equals to 2 by root 5. Am I right, everybody? Clear? Understand or not? All of you. So that is what.
Yes, sir.
So now you can substitute the values. We all knows everything. So f cos theta value 2 by root 5 plus n sin theta value 1 by root 5, which is equals to m value 200 into v value. Now v value 10 or 15 or 15 square. Correct or not? All of you. Yes or no, guys? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what it is. So what will happen? Divided by r value is how much? 20. So 20 ones are 20, 20 tens are. So finish it. So now what will happen? This equation modified. So let me take root 5 is the answer. This will become 2f plus n. So which is equals to 15 square 225. So 225 into 10. So which will happen 2f plus 10, which is equals to 2250 into root 5. Is it okay? Equation number 1. Anybody having any problem in this? You can ask. Okay. Okay, Laksha. Boys, others solved. Brothers solving. Already Laksha and Ishali they solved. Others also you try. Then second equation, n cos theta. Cos theta value how much? 2 by root 5 minus f sin theta value 1 by root 5, which is equals to mass value is 200 into g value is 10. Am I right? Please respond. So which will turns into what is that? Root 5 is equals to 2n minus f, which is equals to 2000. And now 2n minus f is equals to 2000 root 5. So this is the two equations. So that's all it is. So you can make it cancel. So you can rearrange it and you can do it. So first equation, tell me what will happen. 2f plus n. 2f plus n. 2f plus n, which is equals to 2250 root 5. Second equation, n plus 2n. Yeah. 2f plus n. Second equation what? 2n minus f. Okay. 2n minus f. So if you notice, 2n minus f is equals to 2000 root 5. Now second equation I will multiply with the 2, understanding? So that the second equation will turns into what? So first equation 2f plus n, which is equals to 2250 root 5. Second equation will turns into 4n minus 2f, which is equals to 4000 root 5. So both, if you add these two equations, what will happen? Add the two equations, 2f and 2f will get cancelled.
First
So
equation.
first equation, what, brothers?
Sir, in first equation itself, we can multiple 2 directly f will come, sir.
Directly f is coming up. No, I'm not getting. Which one?
Sir, for adding that both first equation we multiple with 2 means frictional force will come, sir, without finding n.
Oh, without here itself. Okay, that's fine. So that is what. So what will happen now? 5n is equals to. This will become how much? 5n is equals to 4000, 6250 root 5. So n is equals to 6250 root 5 divided by 5. How much is the answer? N value, tell me.
1250 root 5.
Yeah, 1200.
50 root 5.
6250 divided by 5 will get 1250 root 5. 1250 root 5 for newtons. So we want it, you substitute in any one equation. So let me take with the first equation or second equation. Which one you want? So let me go with the second equation. It is better. So 2f plus n is equals to 2250. So 2f plus n, 1250 root 5, which is equals to how much it is? 2f plus n, 2250. 2250 root 5. So which is equals to, how much is the answer? It will subtract, it means I'll get 2f is equals to 1000 will come.
1000 root.
Yeah, 1000 root 5.
500.
So f is equals to 500.
500 root
Yeah,
5.
500 root 5 newtons. That's all. Yes, Naren, now you tell me, Naren, what you are saying. You don't need to multiply second equation. First equation, what you have done? Yes, Naren.
Sir, in second equation I multiple 2, sir. So that 4500.
4500 or 4000? 4000 root 5. Correct?
4000.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
That's all correct. Any other thing you have done?
No, sir.
Yeah. You understand, everybody, how to do it now? All of you. So only two cases you should remember. If V is less than root over RG tan theta, keep it in mind. It will skid inwards or outwards. Everybody. It will skid. Yes, please. Skidding inwards. Okay, downwards. So that F will act in what direction? Force of
Upward.
friction will act in upward direction. Okay, so upward direction. If V is greater than RG tan theta, then it will skid what? It will skid outward.
Upward.
Upwards or outwards. Upwards or outwards. So that friction will act in what direction?
Downward.
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 So that is what you have to remember it. I hope everybody understand now how to solve the numericals. So this is what the two things. Then we are evening class, today's class, we are going to derive the two derivations with the help of one example. So how we people can make like find the U minimum and U maximum. What is the U minimum and U maximum so that the body can go without skidding. So in that speed range, for example, if you travel your car in between 20 to 30 km per hour, no skidding will take place. So this 20 is called as what? V minimum. 30 is called as what? V maximum. Just example I'm saying. So what is that? How to calculate V minimum, V maximum to go without skidding? So I'm talking about without skidding. Means in the sense of by the time friction is remains constant or variable. Everybody. Friction is remains constant. So by the time we'll calculate limiting friction. That is what mu into n. So mu into n means mu mg. Do you understand, everybody? All of you understand? So if the body is going without skidding in the sense of means friction is maximum. Friction is maximum. That maximum friction is what we used to call limiting friction. Okay. So based upon that, we'll derive the formulas U minimum and U maximum for in our evening class. Okay. Now it's already 8:10. So finish your breakfast and get back to the work at least by 9 o'clock. Okay. Plan it. I already given the schedule for today's class. Today's whole day, what you have to do. I'm expecting everybody will follow the same schedule and make your work completely well. Okay. So kindly finish it. It's your very crucial time. You have to work hard, no other way. So brothers, start watching the yesterday's video. If not also you can understand, you will just make sure that you understand everything and then only you can come to this one. Okay. Today are you able to solve it or not, Pradosh?
Sir.
Yeah, if you watch the first video, then this one will be 100% clear to you. Okay. Maybe still you may be having small doubt. If you watch that, it will be okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So finish it and then you can make it this one. I hope everybody clear, guys. So now finish your breakfast and come back by 9 o'clock and do the as usual schedule what I have given. Okay. Udreswar, Sai Gardik, everybody follow up and make it everything well. So it has to go very smoothly. That is what I want. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet evening.
Thank you, sir.